Discover new homes in one of North Raleigh's most desirable areas, near well-established Stonehenge, Lake Lynn, and Seven Oaks Club. Our first collection of homes will be in the Claridge neighborhood, just off Ray Road, close to Lake Lynn Community Center, Seven Oaks Club, and convenient shopping and dining along Creedmoor and Strickland. This well-connected part of Raleigh has it all: grocery stores, restaurants, well-known local shops, golf courses, and a wide range of public and private schools. Or enjoy Lake Lynn Park with greenway trails, sports fields, courts, and indoor recreation facilities. Homes will be limited, starting from the 900s, each thoughtfully crafted with modern features and versatile floor plans. This is a rare opportunity to own a new home in North Raleigh, built by Robuck Homes, a trusted local builder for nearly 100 years. Don't miss your chance. Visit robuckhomes.com today to join the interest list.